Hello friends, today my video is about best foods to improve your digestion overnight. Banana. Banana contains beneficial gut bacterial and potassium which helps to reduce bloating. Apple. Apple contains pectin, a soluble fiber that acts as prebiotic and promotes a healthy microbiome, thereby aiding digestion. Almonds. Almonds are a rich source of fiber which aids digestion and helps to maintain a balanced gut microbiome. Yogurt. Yogurt is rich in probiotics which replenish beneficial gut bacterial, aiding in digestion and reducing bloating. Raisins. Overnight soaked raisins when consumed can act as a detox for digestive system by promoting bowel movements and supporting gut health. Leafy vegetables. Leafy green vegetables such as spinach, kale and cabbage are rich source of dietary fiber which helps to regulate bowel movements and promotes healthy gut bacterial growth. Ginger. Ginger is known for its digestive benefits, including reducing nausea and promoting faster food movement through the digestive system. Turmeric. The anti-inflammatory compounds in turmeric help in relaxing the stomach. It also helps with bloating, gas and stomach acid. Pineapple contains enzymes that help to break down protein and reduce inflammation in stomach. Thank you friends. Do like and share this video and subscribe my channel.